Hello students, there is a problem on computing deflections using the three-moment equations. So here is the problem. Compute the deflections at A and C by three-moment equations. AI is constant. So because the beam is determinate, although ABC has moment of inertia 2I and CDEF has moment of inertia I. I will leave to you, my students, the deflection at D and the deflection at F. We already solved this by the basic and by energy method. So I want you to apply the three moment equations in solving for the deflections at D and at F, which is the same as finding the deflection at A and at C. So you will have an idea on how to find it. So the reaction at B, the vertical reaction at B is 3369 over 16 kilonewtons, and the reaction at E is 2055 over 16. So therefore, because we want to first compute the deflection at C, we consider B, C, E. The moment at B is negative 45 times 1 times 0.5. So it is negative 22.5 kilonewton meter. The moment at E is negative 24 times 2. So it is equal to negative 48 kilonewton meter. While the moment at C is equal to, considering we cut section C and we consider forces to the left, so 3369 over 16 times 4 minus 45, AC is 5 meters, so 45 times 5, moment arm 2.5. Or it is equal to 2055 times 16 minus 45 times 2 times 1 minus 24 times 6. So the moment at C is 279.75 kilonewton meter. We then write three moment equation in BCE. So it is moment at B, which is equal to negative 22.5 times span BC, which is 4 meters, divided by I of BC, which is, we divide it by 2 because the moment of inertia of portion AB is 2I. Then plus 2 times moment at C, quantity, length of BC 4 divided by moment of inertia of BC 2, plus length of CE 4 meters also, but the moment of inertia is just I or 1. Plus the moment at E, which is equal to negative 48 times length CE 4 over moment of inertia 1. Then plus W plus 6 area 1A over E1 I1 L1. So because BC is entirely loaded with 45 kilonewton meter, we can use the formula WL cube over 4. And we divide it further by 2 because the moment of inertia of BC is 2. So W45 length is 4. So 4 cube over 4, that's the formula for the value of 6 area 1A over E1 I1 L1, or 6 area 2B over E2 I2 B2 when the uniform load is covering the entire span of the beam, which is BC, the left side. For the right portion, CE, we have a uniform load but partially acting on the beam CE. It only acts 2 meters, so we use integration. And let's call this X. So integral of differential P, which is 45 dx, B is the distance of the strip from the right E. So x plus 2 divided by L. Then we divide it by 1 further. 1 is the moment of inertia. Then quantity L square 4 square minus B square x plus 2 square. Then equals 6 EI. Quantity, the reference horizontal line is through C. Therefore, HB and HE are equal. So HB equals HE, which is equal to simply HB. So I use HB here. So computing, the value of the integral is 405. This part is 360. Then this term is 3357. And therefore, negative 22.5 times 4 over 2 plus 3,357 minus 48 times 4 plus 360 plus 405 divided by 6. Then we divide further by 1/4 plus 1/4. You will get HB equals 1295 over EI. But HC or delta C is equal to the negative of HB. Naturally, HB and HE are positive because they are above the horizontal line through C. But we are computing delta C. Delta C is numerically equal to HB, but delta C is negative because it is deflection at C. And the reference for the deflection is the horizontal axis of the beam. So therefore, delta C is negative 1295 over EI. Likewise, to solve for the deflection at A, we consider AB, ABC because we have found delta C. So moment at A is 0, moment at B negative 22.5. So we then write 3-moment equation for portion ABC. So moment at A, 0, plus 2 times moment at B, negative 22.5. LAB is 1, divided by 2 because the moment of inertia is 2, plus LBC 4 divided by 2 also, the moment of inertia of 2, plus moment at C, 279.75. L, length of BC 4 divided by I, which is 2, then plus W or 6 area 1A over E1 I1 L1. So we have uniform load, the length is 1 meter. We can use the formula WL cube over 4. So 45 times 1 cube over 4 divided by I, which is 2. Then plus for portion BC, WL cube over 4 also divided by I, which is 2. So W45, length 4 cube divided by 4. That's the formula. Then that 2 there is the moment of inertia. Equals. So this time the reference horizontal line is through B. Therefore, HA is just HA, while H sub C is delta C, which is negative 1295 over EI. So equals 6 EI quantity HA over 1 plus negative 1295 over EI over 4. So the value of the first term is equal to negative 112.5. This one is 559.5. This term is equal to 5.625. This one is equal to 360. And of course, 6EIHA is 6EIHA, while 6EI times negative 1295 over EI over 4. So we have 6EIHA, then minus 1942.5. So from here, we can solve HA, negative 112.5 plus 559.5 plus 5.625 plus 360 plus 1942.5. Then the answer divided by 6. So HA, which is equal to delta A, is equal to 459.188 over EI. So that's it for this problem. And as I said, I leave delta D and delta F for you to solve by three moment equations.